Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix eFootball screen problem. Now see, here is your problem. Now back. Tap and hold eFootball. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Then click on clear cache. Now go back. Click on permissions. All permissions allowed. Now go to your home screen. Then click on settings. Now scroll down. Click on display. Now scroll down. Click on camera cutout. Now scroll down. Then click on eFootball. After eFootball open, then click on O2. Select O2. Now back home screen. Then just power off your phone. And then open your phone. Go to eFootball and check your problem solved. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.